Hi friends, for our art center, we're going to make an apple tree. So I have a brown piece of construction paper, a green piece of construction paper, and then some red paint. If you don't have red paint, you can use a marker or a crayon for what we're going to do with that. We're going to make apples on our apple tree. Now the first thing I'm going to do is trace my hand and my arm. This is going to be our apple trunk and the tree base. So I'm going to trace my left hand because I write with my right hand. So I'm going to trace around my hand. Now you're probably going to be able to trace a lot more of your arm because my hand is way bigger than yours. All right, so my trunk is a little bit shorter than yours will be. Now, once I have that traced, I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. So I'm going to stay on my pencil line, and I'm going to remember to hold my scissors the right way, and I'm going to neatly cut out around my hand. Okay, cutting my hand out. Cut, 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 cut. This is taking me a little bit of time, but that's okay because I want to cut it out neatly. Okay, friends, so now I have that cut out for the trunk and the branches. Now, for the green part of my tree, I'm going to kind of just do like a cool, squiggly, bushy tree. So I'm just kind of going to go like this. See how I'm doing it? Like almost like a big cloud. Just kind of moving my pencil around. Okay, so you can just free draw that however you want. Make sure you make it nice and big though. And I'm going to cut this out. And I'm just staying on the line and cutting out. This is good scissor practice, cutting out our curvy line. So I'm cutting that out neatly. Almost done. Oh, that was a lot of cutting for this craft. Okay, friends, now I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to glue it onto my tree so that I can see my fingers and the branches. Okay, so I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to put glue on each of the fingers. Okay, and then I'm going to press it down on to my apple tree. Now I'm going to take my pointer finger and I'm going to dot my pointer finger to make apples on my tree. And later when they dry, I can add a stem and a leaf. I'm just taking my time. A couple of those I went a little too fast and put a little too much paint and they kind of splattered. All right, friends, so there we have it, our Johnny Appleseed hand apple tree craft. I cannot wait to see these. Please bring them to Writing Center and show me later. I'm super excited to see how awesome they turn out. I'll see you guys soon.